Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will continue the series with Scratch, and today we will use the arrow keys to make the cat move. To do this, we go to Events and we have when space key pressed, and we take the right arrow, then we go to Motion and we have point in direction. This way, when we press the right arrow, then the cat will be pointing to the right. Then we will have the next costume. So it will change like this. Then we will move 10 steps. And it will go very fast. We don't want it to go very fast. We want to go a little slower, like walking instead of running. So we had to wait 0.2 seconds. Now when we press the arrow, it goes like walking in normal speed. We will also have the left arrow. We press the right click and duplicate and move over here. And then we say when we press the left arrow, then we point in direction and we go here up to -90. So when we press the left, it goes like this, up and down. We don't want the cat to walk upside down, so we go to direction, we press left, right, and now it goes like this. And when we press the right arrow, it goes that way, exactly like we want it to be. But we will also make it jump. So to do that, we have an event. When we press space, then we will go to motion and we will move 15 steps. Then we will change the Y direction by 30. This back and forth here is the X direction. The Y direction is up and down. So when I press spacebar, it goes like this. Take a long leap in the air. But I also need it to come back down again. So we need to go here and wait 0.2. Then go to motion. We move 15 again, 15 steps. And we change Y with -30. So when we press walk, the program is completed. that was all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.